such activities. We have several ways, classifications. We have the basic one, we have the applied one, and others. But for our purpose, we are going to talk about the applied one. You see, so to start with a project work, research proposal, or thesis, you need to identify your problem first. What problem are you going to solve? So if you don't identify a problem, how do you solve it? How do you solve a problem which you have not identified? So you see, in this our first lesson, we are going to look at how to identify a problem and how to begin your research work on the problem. So first of all, you identify the problem. Maybe you are teaching mathematics in a class and your students don't understand multiplication concepts. It is a problem you have identified. How do you solve it? Then you now formulate your research topic. That is your problem identified. Now, in identifying a topic or a research problem, you need two variables in it. Two variables. If I say two variables, things that you are going to relate in that your problem to solve. So what are you going, if you identify the problem, what are you going to do to solve that problem? What are you going to do to solve that problem? So let's go back to what I was talking about. You are teaching multiplication. People do not understand the concept of multiplication at basic 3 or basic 4. What are you going to do? So you are the teacher. You decide to use bundles of sticks to solve the problem of multiplication at basic 4. So you see, you have identified a problem and you have also come out with a way to solve that problem, which is using what? Bundles of sticks to solve the problem of multiplication for basic 4 pupils or basic 4 learners. You see that? So we have two variables here. What is the first variable? The first variable is using of bundles of sticks. And the second variable is, what is it? Solving people multiplication what? Problem. So two variables. Now, which one is dependent on the other? That's the question now. You see that you want to use bundles of sticks to change the way people do multiplication. You see, the way people do multiplication can be changed depending on how you use the bundles of sticks. How we get that? So if at the end of using the bundles of sticks, children are able to improve upon their multiplication skills, you have changed the concept of multiplication with the people. So it means that people multiplication skills is depending on the bundles of sticks method or bundles of sticks approach you are going to use. So dependable variable there is the multiplication skills of basic 4 pupils. Then the independent variable there is the approach you are using to solve that problem. And what is the approach? The approach is the bundles of sticks approach you are using to solve the problem. So in every research topic, you need to identify dependable variable and independable variable. So you see, so in setting up the topic or research question now, or research topic now is using bundles of sticks to improve upon people's or learners' multiplication skills at basic 4. At basic 4. You see, you are not done yet. You are not done yet. You are not done yet. Where are you conducting that research? Where? Which school? And where? Which town? Which country? You need to put all these elements in your research topic. I hope you now understand why some supervisors, you will send your research topic and they will cancel it. I hope you now understand. Because if some of these elements are not there, your research topic is not complete and your supervisor can easily cancel off your work. You see that? So if you are able to get a problem, formulate the topic, like using bundles of sticks to improve upon people multiplication skills in basic 4 at Buse DA Primary School. At Buse DA Primary School. You see, at Buse DA Primary School, that site is the settings of your research, and you have to include it. If you formulate a research topic without including this, that means your research topic is not complete. The topic is not complete. And if you send that to a supervisor to approve it for you, you have a problem. It will not be approved. they will drag you, and you will start saying that this supervisor is difficult, this supervisor is wicked, and so on. That is not it. You need to do it right. So, formulating the topic, make sure there is dependable variable, make sure there is independent variable, make sure there is settings present in your topic. Then it can easily be approved. Thank you, and enjoy your lesson. If there is anything you wish to recommend, put it at the comment section so that we can improve upon our lessons. Hope to see you next time.
Get it. Just tap on the side to play.
Yeah.